thunderstorm warning now in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 4 to 10 inches. Areas affected include north-central Massachusetts and the east slopes of the Berkshires, including the cities of Charlemont, Greenfield, Orange, Barry, Fitchburg, Framingham, Lowell, Chesterfield, Blandford, and Ayr. Hazardous winter weather conditions are expected until noon Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts include travel will be very difficult, which will impact the evening and morning commutes. Winter weather advisory now in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Areas affected include portions of southeastern Massachusetts and all of Rhode Island except for Block Island. Hazardous winter weather conditions are expected until noon Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts include travel will be difficult, which will impact the evening and morning commutes. Here are the 4 p.m. observations for the Boston metropolitan